So we are on the managing lab by the admin. So once any admin see the lab, okay, you can do the action from here. So imagine that if the request of activating the lab come over here, he can find out the list of the lab over here. Just click the action, okay, approve or update whatever. He can update it from here. Okay, these are the list of labs. Okay, he wanted to see the list of the labs. He can see over from here. The requested lab means whoever requested to approve their lab. Okay, from here is basically just showing them the list of the labs. From this option, they will see that how many labs have requested to approve or reject, or I mean these are the registration requests. So from here they can activate, they can delete, or if they wanted to see the information, they can see the information. On the basis of that, they can approve or reject. Or let's suppose in this lab I would see that how many hours their rates and how many commission I can change it. Click on resend to them or approve, or from here I will take action for the approval. Okay, so similarly, if some of the labs, if they have been automatically rejected or manually rejected, you can again chat with them, compensate with them, ask them for any reason. Okay, there's the option over here. You can delete them. Okay, or you can do the action of those rejected labs. Update. There should be an option of again approve, or you can say the activate lab. Right. I think the designer they have missed it, but there should be an option of activate labs instead of this update. It should be activate. Okay. Similarly, all the logs over here, the admin can see that when the ST has been rejected, or when the payment has been come, when he approved this lab, when he rejected that lab, or when he have increased the commission, when he have rejected anything, when he have set the time frame, all the logs will be generated over here. Similarly, if they wanted to see the chats related to labs only, they will click on here. So all the chats related to the labs only will be appear over here. Similarly, if that admin want to see the financial reports, okay, they will see all the financial report over here. They can do the actions. They can send it to the super sub admin of the finance or whatever. And here the rating setting, which I was telling you before, that if I have set the rating for the labs, that if it is from the slider, that if it go to 1 or 2 3 whatever, okay, and I want, once I apply, that will be set as a uh, the rating will be set for all the labs one. Okay, so if their rating will come at 1 or 0, or if let's suppose he selects that if at number 4 maybe, all the labs will be deactivated. Okay, so you can apply this as an admin, you can apply it, and the system will automatically deactivate or activate from this. Similarly, all the active labs and inactive labs appear over here. Okay, so here is the active lab. I don't know for what the, I think by mistake they put it over here as a rejected lab. It should not. Okay, yeah. I think at the time of once from here, the first request comes and he reject that lab. All the rejected labs list of over will be appearing over here. Or on what basis he rejected the lab, then he can check it over here. Inactive and deactivated lab details will be appear over here. Let's suppose, as I said, that by setting the rating criteria if any labs have been deactivated, so you can get all the information from here. Similarly, for the organization, all the steps, all the workflow scenarios, everything will be same. Nothing, even I think they miss over here. It should be a yeah, all are same. So for the universities as well. Okay. This set free trial, let me go back and refresh. Yeah, this set free trial will be appear only if the super sub admin has defined and give the permission to that admin that he can set that free trial for that particular department. Okay, so let's suppose if this admin they have to set the free trial, they can click on this. Okay, they can define all the things and they can save. So this set free trial is basically for the department. I don't know why they put it for the researcher. Yes, I think we make the scenario as well that in case if that free trial is deactivated and that particular organization, researcher or lab, they wanted to extend that free trial. Okay, from this option they can extend it. Only for that reason we put this, but I think we have to rephrase this. It should not be set free trial for each department. It should be set free trial for individuals or individual entities, like for researcher, for lab. It would not be for the main system. It would be for certain particular researcher or certain particular labs. Let's suppose if you wanted to give more free trial for this lab, which is Access lab. So you can extend it and save it. So the system will record the log that this admin has extended the free trial for this particular lab. So this is the concept for free trial for individually. Okay, similarly for the set organization filter, the same concept that if super admin they have defined some admin who can add the new filter, they can add it from here so that it can be controllable from the super admin, from the sub admin as well. I think there are some information is missing, like yeah, the balance sheet. This this balance sheet is basically is giving the information. I think here in this design format it's not appearing over here for what purpose I don't know. Yeah, the slide up is not working. I don't know for what reason. Yes, right. I think mislinked somehow. Oh yeah, come balance sheet. Yeah, okay. This balance sheet is basically it's giving you the concept that the or the option that from this lab, okay, if if the finance department they have transferred 250 dollar, okay, and they confirm that they have received the payment, so you can set that okay, the payment has been received. So what is going to be happen, that it will track all the records as how much payment has been received, okay, and subsequently it will also create the sales information for this admin. Let's suppose if the finance department will send them information that this amount has been received by the system, okay, so he will activate, okay, this amount has been received, so whatever the commission of this amount, it should have been transferred or can be listed into the this particular lab company, okay. Similarly, if they say that the financial department says that yes, we have received this amount, so once he activates it, so the commission of this amount would be transferred to that organization. So this is the concept of having the balance sheet. So all the balances will come from the department or from the finances. It will be controlled from this balance sheet. So this is the total information about the admin. So admin will be basically solely responsible for all the things related to the assigned role, which is lab or organization. See over here, it also showing that total comma earned by this admin is this. So uh, when I say that in the beginning, if 10 labs has been dedicated to this admin, means whatever the amount or sales has been generated from uh, those labs, okay, whether it will be by a university or someone, all the sales or the amount will be also portrayed to this admin as well, because he will be solely responsible for those organizations or by those universities related all his admin activities, okay. So this is the concept for the admin, and similarly he can log it out. So uh, I think I have covered everything related to the Comma Pro. Oh, one thing is missing, as I told you before, is the finance. Yeah, we have requested to the call and company that they should have to. Obviously, I have already discussed this part. Okay. Now let me discuss this part, and it will be a verbal discussion because there is no POC or design has been ready for this. So the concept is very simple, that we would have a main one more super admin of the finance, okay, and all the department admin, which is if a researcher or organization or university, their transaction, their details will be go and revert back through this main finance administrator. Okay, so the hierarchy will be, there will be a one main super finance department, and then all the admins will send them information or communicate with that admin of the finance, and all the transaction will be go from those super admin and the other department admin, between the admins. Okay. So we need to create this module as well for the finance related thing, and this is very very important. Okay, and the other last module is support. Okay, support for the whole system of the Comma Pro, and the support can be managed by the all the department individually, and also there should be a one support system into the front portal of the Comma Pro, like any user, if he have any issue, okay, he can raise a ticket, okay, he can the standard support system, he can select the department, he can make the screenshot or write down whatever the information he wants, okay, select the department, and once he will create the support ticket, it will go to the respective department, and they can see what the problem has been complained, and then they can solve the issue, they can answer it, okay, they can, once they solve, they have an option to close the ticket or to reply the ticket. Obviously all these tracking can be through the email and through the support ticket system as well. Okay. Simultaneously, we have also requested to our previous company Colon that there should be the chatbot system also should be incorporated with the Comma Pro, so that the consumer or the customer can get the quick support from that chatbot system. Also, if the online uh, chat system, which is any the third party integration we can able to incorporate, we can also do this. So that is all from my side. This is that's all for from my side. If you have any questions or any inquiry, you can tell me.
Thank you, Shyam. Thank you for this one. Uh,
Yes.
yeah, thank you, Shyam. Thank you. So we have the recordings.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So over the weekend, I will go through the sessions once again. Okay. Then we can come up with the feedback. Okay.
Sure. Sure. Definitely. So I think it is better. We can also set the time frame for all the review of this Comma Pro. Okay.
Mhm.
And you can notify me by email,
Yeah.
and subsequently then we can call up a meeting and we can discuss all if there is any question.
Sure. Sure, Shyam. We'll do that.
Okay, all right. Thank you and have a nice weekend. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Shan.
Ashtam. Thank
Jazakallah
you,
khair.
Shyam.
Thank you, Mahsen.